Hello friends, welcome to this amazing chapter, Trigonometry. It is most important chapter of class 10 and it is usually considered as a difficult chapter. But if you learn it with interest, then it will be easy for you. So this is introduction video of trigonometry. So let's begin. Trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Firstly, you should know that what is trigonometry. Why it is called trigonometron? Means the measurement of triangle. The measurement of triangle is called trigonometry. Means tri means three. It has three sides. It has three sides. A, B, C. It has three sides and three angles. I have written here, you can see, basically there are six parameters in triangle, three angles and three sides. You already know it. So let's move ahead. So hope you understand that what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is the measurement of triangle in which we measure triangle. We study about triangle. Let's move ahead. Now firstly comes out as a trigonometric ratio. What is trigonometric ratio? You should know it. That let's take a triangle. As I have made a triangle already. So this triangle is A, B and C. Right angled at B. It is right angled at B. Now it's angle A. In this all ratios I have written that it is for angle A. If we firstly I want to tell that if you consider angle A, then perpendicular will be BC. If you take angle C, for finding sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, whatever you want, if you take angle C, then your perpendicular will be AB. Means side opposite to the angle is perpendicular. In trigonometry, side opposite to the angle is perpendicular. As you can see this in this triangle we have taken angle A for finding sine, cos, whatever we want. So for it perpendicular will be BC, and if we take angle C, then our perpendicular will be AC. And what will be the base? Adjacent side to angle will be base. That I have taken this one angle A as to find anything. So base will be AB. Now let's see its ratios. Sine of angle A. What is sine of angle A? These things are given in your textbook. So firstly we will know what sine of angle A. Side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse. Means you can simply say side opposite to the angle means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, in short we can write it is the ratio P upon H or BC upon AC. And cosine, you can say cosine as cos, and sine as sin. And for cosine of angle A, side adjacent to angle A means side adjacent to angle A. For this it will be base. So base, side adjacent to angle A, base upon hypotenuse remains same. And tangent of angle A, for tangent we use tan. For solving questions, tan. tan of angle A. Side opposite to angle A upon adjacent side to angle A. Means side opposite to angle A, which is BC, is perpendicular. Perpendicular upon side adjacent to angle A. AB is base. Perpendicular upon base. And cotangent, you can read it as cot. Cot. Cot of angle A. It is just a reverse of tan. Is P upon B, perpendicular upon base. So it will be base upon perpendicular. As it is given that for cot of angle A, side adjacent to angle A upon side opposite to angle A. So cot is given here, side adjacent to angle A, which is base, upon side opposite to angle A, which is perpendicular, B upon P. And second, which is read as sec. Sec of angle A. It is just a reverse of cosine. It is just reverse of cosine. If cosine means cos, it is just, if cos is base upon hypotenuse, then it will be hypotenuse upon base. You can see from here, hypotenuse is h and side adjacent to angle A means AB, which is base. And cosecant, which is also read as cosec. Cosec of angle A equal to 1 upon sine of angle A. It is just reverse of sine. Equal to hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle A, just reverse of sine, as I told you already. So it will be, if a sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, then it will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now you have to remember a basic trick. I am going to tell you that you have to remember P B P upon H H B. If you don't remember all these things, just remember PVP upon HHB. This will help you to find all trigonometric ratio. So P upon H, it is sine, and this one is cos, and this one is sine cos tan. You have to just remember the serial, that sine cos tan, and this one is sine cos tan cot, cot sec, and this one is cosec. So sine will be P upon H, cos will be base upon hypotenuse, and tan will be perpendicular upon base. And for cot, cot will be taken from uh, denominator side, means base upon perpendicular. Sec will be hypotenuse upon base, and cosec will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. As you can see that I already told you. Now let's move to the next slide. Sine A equal to cosine A. Sine A equal to cosine A. It will not be cosine, it will be, it is not cosine, it is 1 upon cosec. Cosec A. Sine A equal to 1 upon cosec A. As I told you that cosec A is just reverse of sine A, then sine A will be reverse of cosec A. And this is the same. And one more thing you have to remember, tan A equal to sine A upon cos A. Tan A equal to sine A upon cos A. And cot A equal to cos A upon sine A, which is just reverse of tan A. Now let's move to next slide. Now finally comes trigonometric table. You have to remember all the values. Now a simple trick I am going to tell you, that how can you remember all the trigonometric table by just learning sine's value. How can you remember this? Let's see. If sine 0 degree equal to 0, you can see this. And I have told you that if we reverse, then what it becomes? If sine is reversed, then what it becomes? Cosec. So cosec 0 upon 1. So cosec will be 1 upon 0, which is not defined. You can see it is not defined. And sine 30, 1 upon 2. So it is just reverse. So it comes as 2. And sine 45, 1 upon root 2. It is reverse. Then it comes root 2. And sine 60, it is just reverse. So it comes 2 by root 3. And if 1 is reverse, then 1 comes out. And now how can you find cos A? I am going to tell you how to find cos A. Thing I am going to tell you that it is valid for up to 90 degree for your level, as you have to use only up to 90 degree. So cos A, cos 0 degree, cos 0 degree, you have to make this table. And cos 0 degree, what it comes out, it is just cos 90 degree. You can see here it is just cos 90 degree. And cos 60 degree equal to cos sin 60 degree equal to cos 30 degree. And cos 45 degree equal to cos 45, sin 45 degree equal to cos 45 degree. And sin 30 degree equal to cos 60 degree. And sin 0 degree equal to cos 90 degree, as you can see here. Now I am going to write that equal to sin 90 degree. Just reverse the table. Just reverse the table. In this you have taken it in this form. Just reverse the table. Write this table from here to here. You can reverse this table. So 1 comes here, 1 comes here, and 60 comes at 30, 45 comes at 40. Now let me tell you that sin 90 and it is equal to sin 60, and it is equal to sin 45, and it is equal to sin 30, and it is equal to sin 0. It is valid for sin cos, tan cot, and secant cosec. Now how can you find tan? So as I told you, a for tan A equal to sin A upon cos A. So if you take a sine, if you take a tan 30 degree, let's take tan 30 degree, then sine 30 and cos 30. So sine 30's value is 1 by 2 upon cos 30's value is root 3 by 2. 2 cancel out, and what it comes out as 1 by root 3, which you can see here is the proof. Now you can find all the trigonometric tables just by remembering only sine's value up to 90 degree. Now meet you in exercises. So thank you.